Another exciting day. I was hanging out at home and my buddy Jocelyn asked me if I wanted to meet up with her at Black Swan. And I said, yes. And here we are. We're all together. I normally don't film when I get to hang out with my buddy here because we don't get to see each other that often, but this was on my list of places to go next week. So killing two birds with one stone here. Of course, I'm still looking for poodles. Cute. Mary had a little lamb. Oh my gosh, look at these. I love the little children's hankies. I've had a bunch recently, but the Mary had a little lamb one is particularly adorable. I'm also thinking of the train to Trippyville, which Alon is hosting on October 20th. Oh, I have the hiccups. Sorry, we just ate lunch. That's a really cute little bunny rabbit there. What is this weird snowman thing? And of course, I'm thinking about Christmas stuff with that right around the corner. The little pixies at 19. That's not bad. Oh my gosh, wait. Look at the Joseph Originals angel back there with the lollipop. How much is that? $20. I think that might be a little close. I love the left-in Candy Cane Girl Bell, but that's definitely at retail. Look at these people's hair. Those are hilarious. Hello, Incredible Pose Doll. $65. Wow, she is incredible. I've never seen one quite like that. Definitely Japan. Earlier side. This is so you. That's so you. That's so you. For very specific stuff, minus these chicks on swings that I couldn't really resist. I love this hat stand so much. The little Holt Howard soaps. I try not to do soap though. There's like too much that could go wrong. Seahorses. Here. Dude. 15. How much is this one? It's got damage. It's still really, really desirable. You don't see a price tag on either of these. This one's 15 though. It's kind of cool. I feel like I'd do well on that. I might pick this up. I really wish this had a price on it. I keep looking at it like it's gonna appear. That's painful. I'm in the holiday booth. The first thing I'm gonna grab is a Christmas egg.
A Christmas egg?
A Christmas egg for $5. It's Bryn's Japan too. Look at this grumpy Santa. I stepped away from the holiday booth because this caught my attention. This is very cool. 34. Some dog train stuff. I think those are cats, just kidding. You think I'd be able to tell the difference by now? That's something I want. Look at that ornament with the glitter and the mushroom. That's at $8. I definitely want that. I'm gonna grab that. This, dang, 35. I think I want these. I don't know why you didn't pick these up. Are they repaired?
No, I got the puppy dog.
You got the dog?
Dog. Look at this guy.
Ooh, he's got polka dots.
One of his toothpicks stabbed me, but I
eyelashes.
forgave him, so. I literally like.
Jocelyn is behind me picking out things for the dog train. And I'm picking out things for the dog train behind her. It's a dog necklace, $8.50. I think it's Jerry's too.
There you go.
Cool.
Too cute.
Sold. Do you think Yvonne has that?
I don't know.
She's probably watching this right now,
Everything.
Screaming.
Yeah. Yvonne, are you
So,
right now?
I'm gonna buy it and hold on to it and not list it anywhere in case you want it.
Let us know, Yvonne. Let us know.
Send me a message. The other thing that catches my attention, $6. I'll take that for $6. Why is it only $6? It's a really good deal. I feel like a bad friend. I wandered off and found the most epic things ever. I'm definitely getting these. I have Petite Palooza to think about. I need to show her this shelf. This is so good. Little Goble bunny. All right, well, I'm obsessed with this baby dragon. Is that what we're calling it?
I'm pretty sure that's the baby dragon.
It's $13. You know I'm a cheapo.
Crocodile.
It's a crocodile? No, it's a dragon. Don't kill my vibe. Got really excited. I never
We just watched that movie the other day, so now we've got Lyle Crocodile on our mind.
Well, I'm gonna take it for Petite Palooza, which is coming up in November, because it's epic. Well, I think I did more chatting than shopping. I ended up spending $130 in there. I have like 10 minutes. I really want to swing by this one booth down the street. I don't even know if I'm gonna have time to film there, honestly. I am kind of on a time crunch. Once you get us together, man, I just like blah, 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 blah. But it was a good time. If I don't see you in a couple minutes, I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. All right, I'm just gonna do it. I'm going for it. I have 15 minutes to shop. I'm at Schoolhouse Antiques. There's only 2 booths I'm trying to go to. I'm looking for stuff for the poodles, of course. Of course, I also just signed up for a Kitsch train coming up in November. Very excited about that. That's going to be Saturday, November 18th. I'm co-hosting with Thrifted Home Co. Ooh, that was a tongue twister. Poodles, and I want to fill a couple spots of Train to Trippyville. Let's go in. Don't have much time. Now, I'll have to come back when I have more time. But I had to see what this person put in. I have the sickness. Oh my gosh. All right, poodle. See? That's what I'm talking about. This is very cool. 14, 20%. That's not bad, actually. Wait, hold Howard Mice. 25. Oh, so cute. All right, stay focused. Stay focused. I left, oh, whoa, what is this thing? It's very cool. Is this a poodle? I can't tell. I'm gonna call it a poodle. Maybe I can call it a poodle. I'm looking for Train to Trippyville. Oh, look at that giant Cats by Nina vase. Dude, what? I've never seen one this big. Oh, that's so epic. All right, again, focus, focus, focus. I'm so overwhelmed. I don't know if I am gonna find exactly what I'm looking for in this amount of time, because I think it's too little amount of time to shop. I don't know what this is, but it's very cool. Lion. That's cool. Yeah. You know what? I don't think I can actually, I want to say I can do everything, but I don't think I can manage doing this in that little time. So I'm just gonna keep going. I'm not even gonna go downstairs. I don't have enough time to. I know you're probably like screaming at me right now. Oh, that's hilarious. Little hobbyist ghosts. Like, what? You're missing all this stuff. I know. I'm just like looking for that one special thing really quickly, because I have to get back on the road. Those lamps are epic. I will also say, if there's something you saw in that first booth I went to, they actually just got on Whatnot. This is very cool, even though it's new. That booth just got on Whatnot, and they're under the name TheCrazyCalhouns. I'll have to write that out for you guys. They have so much great stuff. They also have one of those booths at Roller Mills that I visited in my video a couple weeks ago. Love the monkey. Well, these say 40% off, and it's for the pair Roy Des, $49. Even, that's not bad actually, but it doesn't leave as much room as considering I just recently had those. Roy Des doesn't usually sell that well for me, but I find the rabbits sell better than the mice. Right, here's the booth I was talking about. I feel like we gotta find something for Train to Trippyville here. Like, maybe this. I love the weird stuff, man. Wait, look at all their cool bracelets. Now this is everything. 25, that is so cool. That is definitely trippy. I just want to find that. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's perfect. With the eyeballs. Eyeball decor. And what is this thing? That's freaky. We like freaky. Yeah, I just wanted to find that one special piece for Train to Trippyville here. I think it's probably this weird eyeball decor that I'm holding. Now this I picked up last time I was here. I thought this was so cool. Is there anything else here? I don't see a lot of the type of bracelets I usually go for. They all look wood. I did manage to find one bangle that kind of stood out to me. It's this one. That's kind of cool. For $4, I'll take that. All right. What is this thing? Yeah, I got some really cool stuff for the Halloween whatnot event I did here. Got some really weird pottery. That's nice. All right. I think that's it. I am very impressed with myself. I was actually in there for under 15 minutes, so I'm right on time. I got my 2 items. I got something for the bangle sale coming up on Whatnot on October 11th at 8 p.m. Eastern. I also got something for the Train to Trippyville, which I mentioned is kicking off on Yvonne channel on Whatnot, Mile High Scene Yvonne. Sorry if I butchered that. That's October 21st, 20th. Oh my gosh. Just look at my schedule. It's all on Whatnot. There's a link in the description. That's what I'm trying to say. Hello, Kate. I need a coffee to join, and then you get a $15 free, and you can join the party. So that's all I got for today. I will see you guys tomorrow at 10 a.m.